Hey guys, what's up? It's Jay. We're back in the shop for the continuation of our Keys to the Shop series. Today we're going to talk about some sandpaper organizing and the system that I came up with to do so. Hopefully that'll be helpful for you. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and use our affiliate links if you're shopping on Amazon. That really helps us out. So without any further ado, guys, let's get to it. Alright guys, so this is the quick system I came up with for sandpaper organization. I used what I had laying around the shop. This one was 3/4 plywood, this one was 1/2 inch plywood. It really doesn't matter the thickness, you're not holding any real weight here at all. So what you'll need is some scrap plywood or dimensional lumber. Dimensional lumber can get a little expensive, but it will look a little nicer for sure. But this was thrown together quick because I use a boatload of sandpaper on a daily basis when I'm in the shop. I have all the way from 40 grit all the way up to 3000 for my sanding discs. So what you'll need is a router with a 1/4 inch bit on it. You could do this also with a table saw. You just want to make straight rips, but they have to be, you'd have to dado a 1/4 inch, and then you need some Luan, and that's your shelves. So you cut out your 1/4 inch, equally spaced, whatever spacing you want, doesn't matter. I go through a lot of sanding discs, so I made it pretty thick so I can gain some stackage. And then you could glue these shelves in, I suppose, if you wanted to. But I like sometimes if I'm having trouble getting my fingers in there, I can just slide the shelf out and grab the disc I need. And I also have I take sheets, the bigger sheets, and I cut them up into smaller bits. And I think I have from 220 all the way up to 1500 here, something like that. And you could use this for probably other things in the shop as well. And I just put some cleats on the back for the cleat system. If you don't have a cleat system, you obviously don't have to do that. You could make these freestanding or just screw them to the wall. And then for the construction, I just glued and pin nailed these because, again, you're not holding really much weight at all. That's pretty much this system. I mean, I suppose you could make a bigger cabinet. You could make it any size you want. This was the wood I had laying around in already the size I needed for the rips. So used what I had, threw them both together, and they've been super helpful. I could keep sandpaper in a drawer, but I use it so often that I wanted to be able to access it as quickly as possible. I think an important thing when you're figuring out your shop, your workflow, is try to imagine your workflow and, organize things where you're going to know where they are. And I have a lot of organization to do still. All my drawers have to be gone through. But this has been really helpful. It's right at my reach, anything I need, and I just know it's always there. And I probably will expand on it because I have these little micro meshes that I use for a lot of jewelry stuff, for a lot of fine detail sanding. So I'm going to try and figure out a little bit of a system for these, because right now I've just been stacking them up top. Not my favorite. I want to try and clean them up somehow. I haven't figured that out yet. But if you guys have any ideas, throw them in the comments below. If anyone out there uses these little micro mesh pads. They're great, but as you can see, they're lightweight, and every time I clean out the shop, they tend to blow all over. So I have to figure out a system for that. If you guys have any ideas, if you've done anything to organize these, let me know, because I'd love to hear about it. Anyway, guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, smash that like button, Any comments, leave them below. And look for the affiliate links as well. If you guys shop on Amazon, do your shopping with our affiliate links, and you don't even have to buy the product that is in our affiliate link. Any other shopping on Amazon, if you use our affiliate link, that just gives us a couple bucks for our shop, so we really appreciate it. All right, guys, until the next episode, we will talk to you soon. Always create.